Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a poem, Geography Lesson. It is written by the poet Zulfikar Ghosh. He is a novelist and essayist also. Come to this part. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design, it would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. This poem will tell us about the way Earth looks from different altitudes. Altitudes means heights. Here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. Let's read the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. When the jet sprang into the sky, here jet means an aeroplane, sprang means moved up like a spring, and in the fourth line of this stanza, scaled means measured. When the jet rose fast into the sky, the poet saw below him. He could understand why the city had grown into haphazard way. He saw the city look small. A mile of the ground looked as small as 6 inches. So, to the poet, it seemed that 1 mile is equal to 6 inches, too small. There seemed an inevitability. Seemed means appeared. Inevitability, the fact that it had to be happen, or its meaning is also given in the glossary, that cannot be avoided. About what on ground had looked haphazard. Meaning is haphazard, meaning is unplanned, without any order or plan. Unplanned and without style. Style here, pattern. When the jet sprang into the sky. The jets went into the sky. Looking below, one could see the inevitable way in which the city had developed. It certainly had the logic. So one question arises here, why is logic not seen on the earth? The answer is, on the earth one cannot have the whole view. One can see only a part at a time. So the logic of geography is not seen on the earth. So on the earth it seemed ugly and without any planned in haphazard way. Come to this part, stanza. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. Populated means filled with people. The jet plane went higher in up to 10,000 feet in the sky. Looking below at the country, one could clearly see why the cities in the country had developed along the rivers. Why it was so? Because man needs water, and wherever he finds water and other human beings find water, there these cities developed. It was natural because people need water. In the same way, from that height, the poet could see why people had settled in valleys. Why it was so? The reason is water is easily available there. The logic of geography. Logic here means reason. That land and water attracted man. Attracted means charmed. Was clearly delineated means shown when the jet reached 10,000 feet. From the height of 10,000 feet in the jet plane, the poet observed the country. He understood the contentions means reasons or logic of geography. It was that people settled where land and water were easily available. This lesson seemed clearly written. When the jet rose 6 miles high, rose means went up, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. Many of you have read it in the geography books also, that earth has more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand. The poet's jet plane went higher into the sky. It rose 6 miles up the ground. Now the earth seemed round, as he had learnt in geography. It was also shown that water covers the better part of the earth, as it is written, it had more sea than land. So sea had a larger area than land. But there was something that the poet could not understand. What was that? But it was difficult to understand that men on earth found causes, means reasons, to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. Here, across means crossing, causes means reasons, and this phrase build to build walls, this phrase indicates man's desire to segregate. Segregate means to separate one group of people from the rest. Now this was a thing that the poet couldn't understand from that height, that men on earth, why they build walls across their cities. He couldn't understand the logic of human hatred for each other. He couldn't understand why they decided to live separately. Why are walls across the cities? Why do people want to kill each other? It was one puzzle which the poet couldn't understand from that height.